Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So if you open it here again, then you will find at the cover of the box another box. Just remove it like this, and if you open this box here, you can pull it out like this, and then you have here the SIM ejection tool. No? Just go like this to release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now on the bottom of the phone this SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care that you don't use the hole which one is next to the SIM tray, because this is a microphone. Please use the hole which one is a part of the SIM tray. Okay, take your SIM ejection tool, enter this hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and optional a second one below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2 is always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with our first SIM card. You need to place it like this here. So the SIM card, there's a missing corner. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And the contacts, as you can see, they are on top. Okay, and if you want, you can add now on the other side of the SIM tray a second SIM card. This is optional, of course. The construction of the SIM tray is not that good, so maybe the SIM card 1 will jump out. So press well the second SIM card here at the SIM tray. Yeah, the first SIM card will jump out, no problem. So this is how it looks like now with the second SIM card. The same thing, also missing corner here, missing corner, and the contacts, they are on top, as you can see. Okay, if you're having two SIM cards, now I would recommend to you to start with the second SIM card first, because it's well fixed at the SIM tray. The SIM 1 is having a problem here at the SIM tray, but it's absolutely normal. Yeah, and after, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot, anyhow with one or two SIM cards. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thought. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in it. Some more tips and tricks and so on. You can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.